You and I, together we can. Let's study together. It's English time with Teacher Alma. Today's words are bear, bear, bird, bird, cake, cake, bear,
bear,
bird,
bird,
cake.
cake.
Bear, bird, cake. Repeat after me. Bear,
Bear,
bird,
bird,
cake.
cake.
It's your turn. Bear, your turn. Bird, your turn. Cake, your turn. Bear, bird, cake. Great, good job. You're the best.
Blow your candle, bear. Blow your candle. Blow your candle. How old are you?
I'm 1.
Happy birthday, bear.
Thank you.
You did very well. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!